Hey guys, welcome to Mag Life with Posh, and I am Posh, and today I'll be sharing with you all my July fab bag. I had just received this fab bag yesterday and I had left it for the last 24 hours so as to disinfect it, and now I have sanitized it, and now I'll be revealing what all I had received in my July fab bag. But before proceeding, please, if you are new to my channel, do consider liking and subscribing to my channel, because I will be highly obliged if you do so, and your each like means the whole world to me. So hey guys, I have already cut the front portion of this fab box that they have sent me so as to proceed a little bit faster with the video. Now without wasting any time, let's see what all I have received. So the first thing that I had received is this clear bag full of stuff for this July fab bag, and outside this bag there is this Sugar Wingman waterproof micro liner eyeliner pen it is, and it is in the shade number 1 Albi Black, and it is a very beautiful micro liner. I was wanting to buy it for quite some time now, but I couldn't able to, and thank God I had received in this July fab bag, and I will also give you the swatch of this liner at the end of this video. So the first few things that I had received over here are some of the cards that I had received over here. So I will read it out what all they had said to me. They said that, dear Poshali, have fun trying these out. Now this is the list of all the products according to their prices that I had received in my bag. So I will read it out one by one, and I will also show you guys the products that I had received over here. So my first two sugar products sent by the fab bag is the Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in the shade number 1 Black Beauty, and the price of this one is $2.99. And this one that I have just showed you, it is the Wingman eyeliner in the shade Albi Black, and the price of this is rupees $4.99. So as you can see, the packaging of this pen eyeliner is very sleek. It is a matte finish black in the outer packaging, and here goes the cap, which if I open, you can see that the felt tip of the liner is very sharp. You can easily draw a very thin eyeliner with the felt tip given over here. Now I'll be giving you the swatch of the same. Hope you all can see that it is pretty dark and jet black in color. The mascara that I received over here, it is the Uptown Curl Mini Mascara, and it looks something like this. And the outer packaging is very glossy and very sleek, like the other sugar product that I showed you. And let's swatch it on my hand. You can see the tip of the mascara is pretty curved. It becomes very easy for the application. This is the first coat of application of the mascara. I think it is pretty decent, and it is pretty black in the color. So my next product is the Mondsub Avocado Nourishing and Tendering Facial Mask. and the net content is 20 ml as usual, like any facial mask, and the price of this mask is 250. This is the MRP of this mask. Next product, which is the Sirona Gold Ore handmade soap bathing soap bar, and the price of this one is 190, and it is a repeated product in this July fab bag because they had already provided this product in the last fab bag also and the previous quarantine fab bag also. So this is the only repeated product that I had received it over here. But okay, it is a soap bar, so it will be used. I don't generally use a soap bar, but I'll be giving it out to my family member, whoever will be wanting it. But I'm a little disappointed if I get a repeated product every month, which is not worth it, guys. The next product is the ChronoCare Chrono Lip Ceramide Enriched Lip Balm. It is a full size product and the price of it is 245, and let me show you. This is the product over here. And it is a full size product and the price of it is 245. My next product is yet again a sugar product, and this time it is a face mask sent by the Sugar. I think they have sent it because a recent anniversary sale was going on in Sugar, and maybe this is the result of it that they have sent it. And they have also sent a card to me saying it gives us immense joy to be back in touch with you. We are glad you are well. Let's be safer and stronger together. Here's a much needed mask for your well-being. Stay happy, stay safe. XOXO Team Sugar. So it is a useful thing, guys. Nowadays during the corona situation, everybody is in a need for a mask, so why not a mask? And my last bonus product from Sugar, which I had received because I had applied a coupon code that is being circulated by the fab bag itself, and it is the Sugar Smudge Me Not Mini Lipstick in the shade number 8, Wine and Shine. It is a mini lipstick, guys, and the price of it is 250, and the shade, I just love it. I will also give you the swatch of this lipstick, but let me just show it to you guys how the lipstick actually looks. How it is just so tiny, and the shade is very beautiful. As you can see, it's just not even half of my palm. It is a mini lipstick, but whatever you get free, it is bonus in itself. So yeah, I'm happy with my fab bag. The outer packaging of this lipstick is pretty much same as the liquid Sugar lipstick that they provided, but this one is the mini one and the minier version. Now I will swatch it on my hand and let's look at the pigmentation of this lipstick. It is a very beautiful mauvish color, a complete wine color, and we will wait for this to dry up. So this thing, guys, doesn't smudge out, very lightweight and very nice. The July fab bag is very beautiful. It is a clear bag which one can really reuse because there isn't any tag for the fab bag, as they give a tag of the fab bag written everywhere in the bag, either in the front or in the side. But this one is a clear bag and there is no name written fab bag written, so you can easily reuse it. And hey guys, this is it in this month of July fab bag. I will see you next time. Till then, stay well, stay safe, and stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.